One slip and fall lawsuit can cost small business over $50,000. That's medical bills, legal fees, and settlements combined. Could your business survive a hit like that? Even something as small as a spilled drink or a loose floor mat can lead to a major accident. And here's the thing, it doesn't matter if you think it's just a scratch. A customer injury can quickly spiral into a claim with thousands in medical bills, attorney fees, and settlement costs. Without the right insurance, all of that money comes directly from your business bank account, which can easily wipe out your profits or worse, close your doors for good. That's why Next Insurance offers general liability insurance, built specifically for business owners. This coverage can help pay for attorney fees if a lawsuit is filed against you, medical expenses if a customer gets injured on your property, settlement payouts so you can avoid draining your savings. Signing up takes minutes. You can choose your coverage limits, get an instant quote, and receive proof of insurance right away. Perfect for landlords, clients, or event organizers who need it on file. And if an accident happens, you can file your claim online 24/7 and track it from your phone or computer. Pro tip, keep an accident log in your business. Document the date, time, what happened, and any witness names. This can help speed up your claim and protect you legally if the situation escalates. Accidents happen fast, but lawsuits last for months. Get covered before something happens. Click the link in the description to get your next insurance quote today.